Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that any model enthusiast is sure to appreciate. We found the Metal Earth P-47 Thunderbolt 3D metal model kit and have included a link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Metal Earth P-47 Thunderbolt? This is a meticulously crafted 3D metal model kit that allows you to build an impressive scale model of the iconic P-47 Thunderbolt, a legendary fighter aircraft from World War II. It comes unassembled, packed in a convenient envelope, along with easy-to-follow illustrated instructions to guide you through the assembly process. One of the standout features of this model kit is that it requires no glue or soldering. The model parts can simply be clipped from the metal sheets, making it accessible for hobbyists. The recommended tool for bending and twisting the connection tabs is tweezers, which helps ensure precision as you assemble the pieces. The P-47 Thunderbolt model consists of 2 sheets and has a moderate difficulty level, making it suitable for hobbyists aged 14 and up. Once fully assembled, the model measures approximately 5.30 inches in length, 4.50 inches in width, and 1.90 inches in height, which is a 1 hours 94-minute scale representation of the aircraft. The assembly process is both engaging and rewarding. Each part is intricately etched, allowing for a highly detailed final product. As you pop out the pieces and connect them using tabs and holes, you'll find that it's not just about building a model, it's about enjoying the journey of creation. The illustrated instructions are clear and straightforward, helping you navigate the assembly without frustration. This model kit is perfect for a variety of individuals. It makes an excellent project for hobbyists looking to enhance their skills, as well as a great gift for aviation enthusiasts or anyone interested in history. Whether you're working on it alone or enjoying a quality time with friends or family, the P-47 Thunderbolt model promises to be a fulfilling experience. Once completed, this highly detailed model can be displayed proudly on a shelf or desk, making it an attractive conversation starter. Plus, if you enjoy this kit, there are many other models in the Metal Earth collection that you can collect and build, allowing you to expand your own miniature aviation fleet. In conclusion, the Metal Earth P-47 Thunderbolt 3D metal model kit is a fantastic addition to any model hobbyist's collection. It combines craftsmanship, historical significance, and the joy of building something with your own hands. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.